Welcome to Healthy Smiles Podcast, the show where health and everyday wellness come together. I'm James. Today, we're diving into a topic that many people find intimidating or even stressful, going to the dentist.
That's right. I am Lisa. Despite how important it is for our health, a lot of us tend to put off dental visits or feel anxious about going. We're going to explore why routine dental checkups are crucial, share some in-depth personal stories, and offer plenty of tips to help you feel more comfortable on your next appointment.
Absolutely. Let's start with the basics. Why is it so important to visit the dentist regularly? A lot of folks only go when they're in pain or notice a problem.
That's a common mistake. Regular visits, usually every 6 months, are essential because they help catch dental issues early. Cavities, gum disease, even oral cancer can develop quietly. Dentists can spot these signs before symptoms become severe. Plus, professional cleanings remove plaque and tartar that regular brushing and flossing might miss.
I remember my first visit as a kid. I was nervous because I didn't know what to expect. But I soon realized that the dentist's role is to help us, not hurt us. It's interesting how much some habits, like brushing and flossing, can prevent painful problems down the line.
Exactly. Prevention is always better than cure. When you think about it, dental health is connected to overall health too. For example, gum disease has been linked to heart problems. So when you ignore your teeth, you're potentially risking your whole body.
That's a good point. Now, about the experience, what typically happens during a routine dental checkup?
Good question. It usually starts with a review of your medical and dental history. Then your dentist examines your teeth, gums, tongue, and throat. They might take x-rays if needed. Next comes the cleaning, removing plaque and tartar buildup, polishing your teeth, and sometimes applying fluoride treatment.
Yes, that cleaning part always feels so satisfying, like a mini spa treatment for your mouth. But I've also heard some people mention mild discomfort or sensitivity during cleanings.
That's normal, especially if you haven't had a cleaning in a while. But good dentists are gentle and they use techniques to minimize discomfort. If you're nervous, tell your hygienist. They can adjust their approach or explain what's happening to ease your mind.
And what about those who are very anxious about visiting the dentist? I know some people avoid it altogether due to fear.
That's a common concern. Overcoming dental anxiety can take time, but there are ways to make it easier. For example, you can choose a dentist who specializes in treating anxious patients. Deep breathing, listening to calming music, or even distraction techniques like watching a video can help.
I've also heard about sedation dentistry for very anxious people. What's your take on that?
Yes, sedation options are available, from mild sedation like nitrous oxide, laughing gas, to IV sedation for more severe anxiety. These are safe and effective, but they're usually reserved for cases where anxiety is extreme or procedures are more invasive.
That's good to know. Now, speaking of preparation, how should someone prepare for their dental appointment?
Great question. First, write down any dental issues or symptoms you've noticed, like sensitivity or bleeding gums. Bring a list of your medications and dental history. Don't eat a heavy meal right before, but don't go fasting. Just be comfortable and arrive early to fill out paperwork and relax beforehand.
What about after the appointment? Are there specific care tips?
Definitely. Continue good oral hygiene, brush twice a day, floss daily, and use mouthwash if needed. If you had any procedures done down, follow your dentist's instructions, like avoiding very hot or cold foods immediately afterwards. Keep up with regular checkups every 6 months to maintain your smile long-term.
And don't forget the importance of watching your diet. Limiting sugary snacks and drinks can really make a difference in preventing cavities.
Exactly. Also, if you experience any issues like persistent sensitivity, bleeding gums, or pain, don't wait for your next appointment. Call your dentist sooner. Early intervention can save you discomfort and money.
What about some common myths or misconceptions about dental visits?
Oh, there are plenty. For instance, some people think that dental visits are painful. While discomfort can happen if you have issues, routine cleanings are generally painless. Another myth is that dental visits are only necessary when you have a problem. That's false. Prevention is key.
Also, some folks believe that brushing too much can damage your teeth. Is that true?
Brushing too hard or with abrasive toothpaste can wear down enamel or irritate gums. Use a soft bristled brush and gentle motions. It's about quality, not just quantity.
Great advice. Now, before we wrap up, do you have any final words of encouragement for our listeners?
Yes. Remember, taking care of your teeth is part of taking care of your overall health. Don't let fear or forgetfulness keep you from visiting the dentist. Regular checkups and good daily habits keep your smile healthy and bright for years to come.
Excellent message. Thanks so much for joining us today and sharing your insights.
Thank you. And to all our listeners, schedule that dental appointment today and give yourself the gift of a healthy, happy smile.
Thanks for tuning in to Healthy Smiles Podcast. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next episode.